I am here on the spot of where my eco dream house is going to be, and also the first phase is going to be the eco workshop. And as you see, the border is somewhere there, but I didn't had enough twine cord, and I'm gonna buy a red twine cord to be more visible. I have the upward spot of the GPS coordinates where is the passing by the border, and it's going this way, and I'm gonna put red twine up to the next dot. You see the twine over there. The next dot is, this is the corner here of the land of my father and my uncle. There is a fallen tree, and this tree we're gonna use for one of the beams of the workshop built, and there is the point of contact between the two borders of the land. And I hope you like this area, because for me it's absolutely lovely spot. And as you can see, the workshop is going to be here, because I want to be a little bit towards this little forest area. And like here will be the workshop, because we want to catch better view, a little bit of the view from the horizon, you know. Also I love higher spots anyway, even if not so big view. So I am now where the future workshop is going to be, and this is going to be my view for inspiration. I plan to make my crafts here in the future, make journals and sketchbooks and all my other crafts, and also I want to start some woodworking projects. And furthermore, as you can see, here is gonna be the workshop, and then here is going to be the future phase 2, which will be connected to the workshop. The workshop will be about 5 by 5 meters, or maybe not absolutely square form. We're gonna follow the square, the land area, and here is going to be the future, how to say, the living room. The living room with the kitchen corner is going to be on this area here. You can see it's a quite big spot. I have enough space. Soon I'm gonna show you from the drone. I'm gonna make some videos for the first time with my new drone that I recently purchased. And in the evenings and in the mornings, the sunrise is going to be over there. In the winter is going to be behind these trees on the dark horizon, because in the winter the sun goes from further southeast. And also the moon is going to rise from here, the moonrise. When it's full moon, we're gonna start seeing it from here. It's gonna be wonderfully amazing. Sometimes also from there, depending the season. But you can see the area here. This area is going to be my future eco dream house. It's a lovely near the forest, lovely meadow. Also, we're gonna clean. This is going to be the yard here. You know, the yard area. I plan to make some terraces on the yard in the future. We'll see, maybe a small barbecue area in that corner. We can clear a little bit of bushes, the ones that are in our land, because the other plot is the neighbor's plot. But a couple of the trees here, of these bushes mostly, will be cut. These are cherry trees, two small and big cherry trees. I'm not gonna cut them for sure, because it's rare to have these cherry trees in the Rhodope Mountains. So those I'm not gonna cut, just a couple of plump bushes and a couple of heartworm bushes. I want to clear a little bit of view, but these two trees will stay. They're not gonna be problem, because anyway, when I clear a little bit the view there, and we have here a bit view, and there we'll have a little bit view, and it's gonna be split by the two trees, reminding us that we need also trees. Also, this is a nice shadow area. Also in our plot, the other corner is down there, So this also, the entire meadow is in our land. So it's a lovely area. There is the fern plants. I love fern plants. And here is a little bit balcony from the old terrace, you know, terrace formed from the old people with a little bit of stonework. So we're gonna save this, and this area can be made for recreation later on, or maybe this can become a part of my garden in the future. Also, this plot is gonna become on a couple of balconies to be a garden. The shadowy part will remain probably for table and chairs. Down there, this little meadow is also can be from the future garden. Of course, this is way into the future. I'm just showing you for the first time the spot where my eco dream house is going to be, and it is going to be just over here. Unfortunately, this juniper berry bush is going to go. Sometimes we have to sacrifice some bushes in order to have our dream house. And thanks for watching, folks. I hope you like this plot. It's very hot. It's 11th of August 2025, and in the next days I'm going to become a worker on my spot. Also, we need to finish this. This area is going to be a temporary nylon tent shelter for the generator for electricity. Some of you know, before 2 months ago, when I came back from the Netherlands, I bought a diesel generator, which is not so ecological part of the eco project, but you know, we cannot be 100% eco. It's impossible in today's world to be 100% ecological. But my house will not be using bricks, will not be using concrete, will not be using metal rods for the concrete. We're just gonna use a little bit, 5% of lime, into the dirt and mud mixture for the Cob house, because this is going to be a Cob house. And the first project I want to finish for 3 months, until late November, until late autumn. It's gonna be the 5x5 workshop about this area here, and there will be the living room in the future, plus the kitchen corner, of course. And it's going to be amazing project, folks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to follow my eco house future adventure. And today as I told you, made the borders clear for me to know where is the exact border of our plot. And this is the upper border there. We border with the municipality future forest road, that is going to be future forest road, and the other plot is our neighbors down there. So I clearly know the corner and the corner borders where they will be. And this is the beginning of this eco-friendly house and workshop project. Please subscribe if you want to follow, if you like the videos I post, and to help us grow the channel. Me and my cousin Stasi will soon also go to the eco hut, not eco hut in the Balkan Mountains. Another 4-day adventure. It's gonna be wild. So please subscribe, like and share. Sorry. And of course, comment below what you think for this future eco project. And thanks for watching.